Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Tech Carse, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video, I am going to tell you how we buy a noodles from Daraz App. So let's start our video. So first of all, you have to install the Daraz App. After that, you have to open the Daraz App and search here in the search box. Here you can see it. I'm writing here noodles. After writing noodles, you have to search for that, and you can see it basically different samples that came in front of you. So here you can see that it is searching. You can see it here. So we have to wait for few seconds. You can see that due to a bad network issue. So here you can see it. It's still searching for a product. You can see it here. You can see that a couple of items that came in front of you. So here you can see it. Basically you can see it as different samples showing in front of you. You can see it here. So basically I'm going to click on that one. So here you can see it basically 7 samples are available in this one. You can see it first one in front of you. My ABC spicy taste noodle, fried instant noodle. You can see it here ABC fried instant noodle and my instant goreng, 2 flavor in 170 gram. Here you can see it another one sample in front of you. Here you can see it is another one is going to be open, but due to a bad network issue we have to wait for few seconds. Here you can see it a lot of items are available. You can see it here. You can see it how to cook. Step 1, put the noodles into 400 ml of briskly boiling water. Boil and stir slowly for 3 minutes. Step 2, while the noodles is being cooked, put seasoning and oil into bowl. Then add hot seasoning. You can see that here step 3 is also given here. Pour cooked noodles together with the soap into the bowl. Mix well. Another one step 4 is given. You can see here spicy taste noodle, spicy sauces things you get. Here you can see it another one sample is given in front of you. Here you can see another one sample, and here the last one sample is given in front of you. Pack of 2 Indonesian noodles, instant noodles, hot and spicy noodles, instant fried noodles. You can see it stop eating boring noodles, enjoy the authentic Indonesian noodles. So basically if we talk about the price of this one, then you can see it PKR rupees 299 rupees. If we talk about the original price, then the original price is PKR 500 rupees, but after 40% off you can buy it only PKR 299 rupees. So basically if we talk about the rating, then you can see that here 4.5 out of which 5 stars are given here based on 118 reviews, and 577 is already sold. So basically 156 people already love this product. Standard delivery 6 December to 8 December, 35 product questions and answers. ABC noodles 93% positive review. Coins promotion, earn up to 299 coins on this item. Redeem coins on checkout to get discount. So basically if we talk about the specifications, then you can see that here. Brand MIABC box content pack of 2 combinations of 2-in-1 of Silera Pedas hot summer chicken and friend instant noodles, and SKU number is also given here. So here you can see it delivery. You have to select your location on which you want to get this noodles. Standard delivery 6 December to 8 December, rupees 99 service charges. Service 100% authentic, 14 days free and easy return. Change of mind is not applicable, warranty not available. So basically if we talk about the rating and reviews, then you can see that here rating as I already tell you 4.5 top rated. And if we talk about the reviews, then you can see that here total 118 reviews are available here, and 27 photos are also available. So what do I like about it? Good noodles 6, good pack 4, fast delivery 3, nice service 2, and nice flavor 1, good work 1. So here you can see it first one by IS. I love noodles, and none of the grocery stores around me carry them, so I always buy them on Daraz. I can eat these noodles for lunch every time. So here now you can see another one by Manu Red. Quality of this noodle is amazing, taste is also very nice. I like instant goreng more than hot simmer chicken flavor, but both flavors are good. Another one was Salia. You can see that here. Salia's seller is nice and responsive. Packing was good. So delivered on time. Those who are noodles lover will definitely like the taste. I bit different thing. You can see that here. So basically, if you want to buy these noodles, then you can see that the buy now option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on this buy now option for buying this noodle. Thanks for watching this video.